Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a shoulder catch first move. Now obviously knowing how to do a first move already would be really useful, but apart from that you can be ready to go. The whole thing looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. You'll probably find the first few times you do it you'll do different numbers of steps, but after a while you'll settle into a particular method of doing it. Let's break it down. It starts off man's left, lady's right, and we go semicircle and back. Unusually the guys actually need to move slightly to the right because we're going to sweep the lady down the left hand side, so this feels a little bit like the entrance to a catapult in mirror image. So we're going to bring the lady forwards. We're going to take that left hand up to the left, so as the lady's coming forward she's turning to her right. Guys, we're going to head forwards turning to our right, so we're trying to get the lady past us and the left arm to sweep up behind the back. Ladies are going to end up with pretty much a straight arm, and guys, we're going to reach around behind the lady's shoulder with the back of the right hand. Once we've gotten to this position, guys, we're going to head forwards. We're going to let go with the hand behind the back. We're going to rotate the lady to her left with the right hand, so that right hand is going to fold over and pick up the lady's left shoulder. Ladies are going to shrug just as you would in something like a first move walk around a wrapper, so you basically don't get your arm trapped, which means we can get into hold and into the twist out, and then it's just finish off as a first move. In, under and face, return and back. Same thing from the other side. Numbers, we go semicircle and back, and guys are moving to the right. So that's 1. Sweeping the lady through, ladies turning right, guys turning right, hands sweeping up behind the back. So we're going to take 2, and then we're going to get to the far end and hand on the shoulder. 3, we're going to rotate the lady into hold. 4, twist out. 5, in 6, turning 7, facing 8, returning 1 and back 2. So we've done all the bits. Let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, shoulder catch, first move. We go a back, sweep, collect, roll, twist, twist, turn, face, return and back. And that's that. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, we very much encourage you to like and subscribe. That way you'll see every time a new video comes out if you have your notifications turned on. We'll pop a music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.